Hi guys, I need to review to you this anti-clogging technology. Blue toilet blocks, cleaning foam, fresh scent, anti-clogging. So this one is included 2 clean fresh toilet blocks, lemon flavor. So let's open this one. Let's open it. And it's this one. This is lemon flavor. Look at it, has a nice smell. Toilet blocks, 2 toilet blocks. Do not remove the film. So yeah, it's nice smell. So it says here, do not remove the film from tongue to drunk. So it says here, clean fresh from tongue to drain. So let's put that to the toilet blocks. Now I will put this one inside. So it says here's inside. I don't need to remove the film. Okay, so let's put inside, guys. Okay, like that. I will show you. So it says here, place the cube with the film in the tank on the opposite side of the water flow. So water flow is here. Water flow is here. I think here. This one, I can put this one right there. So it's just putting inside there. So film dissolved in the water, keep the second cube inside the package until the first one is used. When cleaning the tank, please wear protective gloves. Now it is inside the toilet. It is inside now. So let's close it. Close this one. And now check. I will check if the water will become green. So let's push this one here. It's not yet clean. Maybe later on, just waiting for a bit of second because this color is color green. Wait for a second. Let's check if it's dissolving, guys. Oops. Yes, it's dissolving. The water, the film is already removed. So let's check later on. So let's check again if it's already dissolved. Not yet. Guys, still I'm checking. It's still the same. There's no green. So I think this one is color is white. It's nothing, but it's okay as long as like a lime skim remover. So that's fine. So look at how clean the color is. Yeah, this is nice because it has a lemon flavor. Lemon flavor toilet blocks. Yes, like that. Clean and fresh. Yes, smells nice. Smells lovely. Clean and fresh from tank to drain. So I did like that. This cube. Yes, it's just I have still one cubes left. So still there's nothing green. I'm thinking it is green color. But now maybe later it will dissolve properly. Maybe it will become more green. So I'm just still waiting, but still it's nothing green. But the smell, I can see the smell is really lovely smells, guys. Very lovely smell. It makes your toilet so lovely smells. Yes, it can help. Still, it's nothing blue. It's nothing blue, guys. Nothing. But it's okay. Yeah. But the smell is okay. Next time I will buy the blue color like that because this one is a clear color because this is lemon flavor. So yes, this one is, I have one left. So it says here how many washes do I need. 400 flushes per block. So intense cleansing foam for up to 400 flushes per block. Lemon clean water. So it's look like this. Is instruction. Place cube with a film in the tank on the opposite side of the water flow. Yeah, this is really lovely smell. So I'll never regret to buy this one. But next time I will buy the blue color, blue, to make the water blue or green. I'm thinking because it says a green one. I'm thinking the water will become green. I was thinking, but no, I was wrong. So next time I will do like that. Is it worth it, guys? But the smell is nice, but the same is nothing. I flush again and again. Look at, still nice. Only clear water is coming. Yeah, next time I need to buy the blue color because this is clear water color only, nothing blue. So yes, it's worth it. Worth it. Nice smell. Make your toilet bowl really nice smell. And yeah, clean, fresh from the tongue slime scale remover. So yeah, that's why the water flow here is so shining. Don't worry, this one, this is, I think it's the leak. This is not the hair, it's the leak from the toilet. So yes, it's worth it for me. It not cost. I bought this one from the Sainsbury's around £2. Yeah, £2 for the UK money. Yeah, everything is here. So let's try again. Push this one. Yeah, it comes like that. Yeah, so yeah, it's worth it. If you want to try, I can smell the lemon. I can smell it. I'll check again. I will check. Sorry, it's really dirty inside. Yeah, it's still there. Look at, still there. Look, still there. The film is already removed. Yeah, still there. I don't have time to clean the inside. Yeah, so this is worth it. Love it. So if you want to buy, then yeah, you can buy this one anywhere. Where is your location? But this one, I bought this one from the Sainsbury shop. You can buy this one by the Tesco. This is #1 in the UK. This is her number one in the UK, anti-clogging technology. Yeah, make your toilet bowl really nice smell. Yeah, shiny like this. Look, I flush again. Like that, shiny like that. Yeah. So yeah, that's it from now. Then I still have one left. So late, maybe this one, if this one will finish, then I can put this one, the one left. Yeah, next time I will try to do a review with the other one, with the other product, with the clear blue water. And I think it's more interesting, the clear blue water, because this one is clear, crystal clear water. So yeah, it's really lovely smells. I can see the smells. If you don't want to have a perfume smells in your toilet, then this one can help you. Yeah, can help you. Actually, this toilet is really clean. I cleaned it already, so it's nothing to worry. It's everything. So yeah. So that's it, guys. That's it from now. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel. So that's the next time. I will just click the notification bell so that next time when I have a video, then any review, then thank you. Bye bye, guys. After 1 hour, it's already, the bubbles is coming. So let's push this one. As you can see, there is bubbles coming now. Yeah, like that. So the smells of the lemon, I smells it. So beautiful.